Hi friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel Exam Master Academy. So in this video, we are going to study computer applications in BCom third semester, unit wise important questions. Let's see unit 1, Introduction to Computing and Computer Networks. Let's see 2 markers questions here. First one, define computing. Second one, what is data? What is information? Third question, what is GUI? Fourth question, write any two applications of computers in business. Fifth one, what is a computer network? Sixth one, what is firewall? Seventh one, define client server computing. These are for 2 markers questions. Let's see 5 markers questions. First one, explain different computing interfaces. Second one question, explain objectives and needs of computer networking. Third question, describe types of computer networks. Fourth one question, explain network topologies. Fifth one question, explain peer-to-peer computing. These are carrying for 5 markers questions. Let's see 10 markers questions. First one, explain GUI, CLI, touch interface and natural language interface in detail. Second one question, explain computer networks, their applications and its types. Third question, explain distributed computing and wireless networking. Let's see unit 2, word processing. Let's see 2 markers questions here. First one, what is word processing? Second one, what is formatting? Third one, what is mail merge? Fourth one question, what is autocorrect? Fifth one, what is header and footer? Sixth one, what is table of contents? These are for 2 markers questions. Let's see 5 markers questions. First one, explain editing and formatting features of MS Word. Second one, explain paragraph formatting and page formatting. Third one question, explain find replace of spell check. Fourth one question, explain inserting tables and pictures in a document. Fifth one, explain printing documents and page setup. These carries for 5 markers questions. Let's see 10 markers questions. First one, explain features and advantages of word processing software. Second one, explain mere merge with examples. Third one, explain document formatting, references and footnotes in details. These are for 10 markers questions. Let's see unit 3, preparing presentations. Let's see 2 markers questions here. First one, what is presentation? Second one, what is slide? Third one, what is transition? Fourth one, what is animation? Fifth one, what is slideshow? These are for 2 markers questions. Let's see 5 markers questions. First one, explain components of good presentation. Second one, explain inserting text, images and tables in slides. Third one question, explain slide design and layout. Fourth one question, explain transition and animation effects. Fifth one, explain exporting presentations as a PDF. This carries for 5 markers questions. Let's see 10 markers questions. First one, explain the process of creating an effective presentation. Second one, explain multimedia elements used in presentations. Third one, explain slideshow settings and presentations delivery. These are for 10 markers questions. Let's see unit 4, spreadsheet basics and functions. Let's see 2 markers questions here. First one, what is a spreadsheet? Second one, what is a worksheet? Third one, what is a cell reference? Fourth one, what is conditional formatting? Fifth one, what is pivot table? This carries for 2 markers questions. Let's see 5 markers questions here. First one, explain spreadsheet concept and worksheet management. Second one, explain formatting and protecting worksheet. Third one, explain charts and graphs. Fourth one, explain mathematical and statistical functions. Fifth one, explain sort and filter. These are for 5 markers questions. Let's see 10 markers questions. First one, explain spreadsheet functions used in business. Second one, explain pivot tables and data consolidation. Third one, explain what is analysis tools. These are for 10 markers questions. So let's see unit 5, spreadsheet projects and business applications. Let's see 2 markers questions here. First one, what is forecasting? Second one, what is break-even analysis? Third one, what is payroll statement? Fourth one, what is annuity? This carries for 2 markers questions. Let's see 5 markers questions. First one, explain loan repayment scheduling. Second one, explain payroll preparation using spreadsheets. Third one, explain handling annuities and unequal cash flows. Fourth one, explain frequency distribution. Fifth one, explain cost and revenue analysis. This carries for 5 markers questions. Let's see 10 markers questions. First one, explain creating business spreadsheets with examples. Second one, explain forecasting and break-even analysis using spreadsheet. Third one, explain statistical analysis using spreadsheet. So these are all for Unit 1, Unit 2, Unit 3, Unit 4, Unit 5 important 2 markers, 5 markers and 10 markers questions. So if you liked this video, please like and subscribe, and if you have some doubts in comment section, please comment there. Thank you.